and friends, and welcome back to the mix. Now, on the mix, we have the saga. Lorraine's saga still continues. So, as you know, there's a whole lot of things going on over social media pertaining to Lorraine. So, you need to listen to this and see what these people or this lady has to say about the situation. And remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel to the new persons coming on, and have yourselves a wonderful one.
Certain things because certain things need to be understood because I've come under tremendous fire since yesterday, and all I did was defend Lorraine. Before I even go into it, I want to say respectfully, Flex, your producer has called on Lorraine's platform a lot of times, and nobody over here disrespected her. I never disrespect her. And watch the comment she made about me being educated. Let me just say this. I am proud of my education. My mother worked hard as a single mother, and I worked hard to be where I'm at. And I'm not going to minimize the levels I have reached to please anybody. Okay, everybody can go and educate themselves. So anybody who have a problem with my education is not my problem, that's your problem. And respectfully, producer, what you said with regards to me, I'm a grown woman. You could have spoken to me from woman to woman. I never came on the platform and disrespect you. I did not come over there and disrespect Flex. You have called this platform many times and nobody disrespected you. It was disrespectful and disingenuous. And Flex, you won't have to worry. I won't call your platform ever again because that was my mistake. Okay? Now this episode with Cartoon and I'm going to say this, and I'm going to speak my truth tonight. And I'm going to say this. Cartoon, you are a serious hypocrite. Yeah? Cartoon, you have my number. Cartoon, you have been sending me pictures of your grandbaby on WhatsApp. Cartoon, if you had a problem with me, Cartoon, you could have called me, Michelle, because me know say sometimes me can come off as being too brash. I'm not perfect. And me know how me can get sometimes. Me not perfect. And me know my faults. But Cartoon, I thought you and I were better than that. Not once, Cartoon. You remember the Sunday when all of us were on the phone on WhatsApp and Lorraine said, guys, if anybody have a problem with anybody, let us talk about it. And what did you say your problem with me was? You said your problem was that sometimes you are talking and I talk over you. And I said to you, you know, no, it's a fault when I have because I know you alone say it, even my husband say it, each other. The Davy has never disrespected me. I'm going to repeat it. I have disrespected Lady V because it's me know my faults and I know my actions. I disrespected Lady V on this platform. And a lot of people can remember the things I said. She has never disrespected me. And she brought up a topic on her platform. And when she saw me calling, she could have chosen not to take my calls because she could have looked on her phone and said, I know this a girl who did a disrespect me because my picture and my name come up on her phone, and she never did that. She took me on the call. And while she was talking to me, she said, Michelle, give me a couple of minutes. Somebody I have to deal with my son. And I waited and she came back and we had a conversation and she did not disrespect me. Cartoon, you came on the phone when I was on the phone on Lorraine's platform and we were talking good until me said to Lorraine, all right, never hung up and make Cartoon talk. And when I hung up, you came out blasting Lady V, how Uno never did to go up on our platform and Ray, and I felt to myself, no, this is not right. I should not sit here on Lorraine's platform and hear you disrespect Lady V with my name in it when me go on Lady V platform and Lady V never disrespect me, and ever since. But that is not why you have me up, Cartoon. You need to speak the truth and be truthful about it, because if Michelle should attack certain things, the internet turn upside down. But I'm not like you, Cartoon. I will not go there. But you know why you have me up. Yeah? You know why you have me up cartoon. Because if like when you come out yesterday and say, Michelle Aguan like she run Lorraine platform and you blast me to left and you blast me to right and you blast me to center. And at the same time when you blast Michelle, you never said to the people, 2 weeks ago or a week ago, me send Michelle picture of my baby on WhatsApp. You never tell them that. So if you could have sent me pictures of your grandchild on WhatsApp, that means you have my number. You could have called me and said, Michelle, you know, so I feel away about something, but you know why you did it, cartoon. Tell the people the truth. The truth why you did it is because you called me. Twice you called me. I'm not going to mention the first time. The second time you called me and you said to me on your birthday, I mean, I have to tell no lie because I don't have nothing to prove to nobody on social media. And you called me and you said, Michelle, never beg Lorraine to run a marathon to me. And I said to you, no, cartoon, I'm not going to do that because Lorraine cannot be breaking down corruption and do that on our platform. And that you have me up for. Tell the people them the truth. Lorraine called you 3 times. After the incident with the lady V thing, Lorraine called your phone 3 times. I said, cartoon, you're good. And what did you say to cartoon, you're good because I not hear from you? What did you say to Lorraine? You never said to Lorraine, you know, so I not call your program because I still have a problem with you going on Lady V program. You never said that. You said to Lorraine, say, yes, man, me good. But yesterday you came out with venom because you are a snake. Now, let us go back into history, cartoon. You remember I used to call on a certain platform where you were a member of. And you came on that platform and you mentioned Lorraine's name. And when you mentioned Lorraine's name and the person for the platform, for the platform said, who is Lorraine? And everybody in the comment did a cuss Lorraine. Because you called her name on that platform. And I came out and defended Lorraine. And the next day, the platform holder and introducer come out and cuss me and Lorraine the worst way. And you found yourself on that platform every night. Did Lorraine say to you, say no go over there? Did Michelle say to you, no go over there till you even come on Lorraine platform and mention the person name? Did Michelle say no do it? So who gives you the right to tell me, a grown woman, where I can go and where I cannot go? You're wrong for that. And what you did yesterday, not even to me, but to Lorraine, because you create a firestorm yesterday, because there was a fire before, and you push the wood under it, and you light it, and you blaze it, because you felt you had something to prove. You only proved to those who know that you're a hypocrite. And what you came out and did tonight, let me tell you something, sweetheart. You will never get the opportunity to sit in my mouth because me not mess with people, me not mess with you, that you have my mouth to shit in. No, baby girl. No, sweetheart. You will never get the opportunity to do that. You have shown me who you are. Me tell you, cartoon. Me did have love for you, you know, because the one thing where you could have do, I make me laugh. I like people who make me laugh. But you show me that you never did even have my best interest at heart. You never have Lorraine's best interest at heart because you did respect Lorraine. If you did have any amount of respect to Lorraine, because even when you ask me to tell Lorraine to run marathon for you, and Lorraine never run it, Lorraine still sent something for you for your birthday. You came on and you did a live. And
Michelle, don't do that.
Lorraine, let me talk.
No.
You came on and you did a live. You did a live where you said, you stuck up your bar and you said, talk truth, money did this. Yeah, that's what you said. You take down the live. But at the same time, you talk it yesterday and you say, your bar empty. The love with Lorraine I see you. Me never talk about myself in a cartoon. This is why it hurt me. The love with Lorraine I see you. And the venom and the disgrace where you come out with yesterday, it spoke volumes more about you than it did about me, cartoon. And where you come to this evening still speaks volumes more about you than it did about me. But it's hurtful. And on a platform where I run and talk about say anti-Dana prayer work, only need to have several seats. No prayer where Dana pray can walk over yourself because we and Dana not pray to the same God. And some of you bloggers, when I say Lorraine defend, me go show on the step on this social media. Only take bits and pieces of the girl from England live, I want to post it. Only take bits and pieces, I want to post it because I don't want views. And not one or uno. did post the live where Lorraine do last night. Not one of uno did post the devotion what she do this morning. A lot of uno on this place are hypocrites. And some of uno on this platform, me see uno comments elsewhere. But God go with uno. Because if I am here, and me never see none of uno when me see a comment elsewhere about Michelle come out and defend Lorraine publicly. I did it and I will do it again. But uno know forgot here, there and everywhere and call my name. But I'm going to tell you already, I'm going to tell you again, not for uno just a come. I have been through many storms like this before and I'm still standing. And I will stand again and I will defend Lorraine again. But some of uno need to know on self. I'm going to repeat it. We cannot be so hateful on social media towards people that we don't know, that have done us nothing. That when somebody come out and speak what is right, we can't even acknowledge it. Lady V has not done me anything. And I have sit and watch as on take the woman name, on call it here, on call it there, on dip up here, on dip up here. But God go with uno. Because there's a thing called karma and there's a thing called retribution. I stand with Lorraine and I will continue to stand with Lorraine. And those of uno who are run with it here, every corner you turn, every lane you turn, this a breakdown, nothing a breakdown over here. So even the best of families have disputes at times. But the more uno fight Lorraine, because me alone and I fight now, Lorraine and I try fight. But sometimes I said it to Lorraine today, sometimes God have to show you who people are for you to know what you're dealing with. And sometimes God have to take you through a journey so you know where you're going. Lorraine, I hope you learn. And guys, those of you who have supported me and continue to support me and support Lorraine and continue to support Lorraine, God bless you. Yeah, because there's always 3 sides to a story, sometimes 4. Everybody run with this one story yesterday and it was hurtful. What hurt me most of all was to see cartoon, somebody I loved and respected, come out with so much venom yesterday and hate. The words were laced with hate and venom towards a platform that loved her. I'm sure enough of us still love her, I know. And tonight when I heard her make the remark tonight that she was shitting at people's mouth, I shook my head and I said, sweetheart, God go with you because you won't get my mouth to shit into. And this is the last time I am going to even address this. So who want to go tomorrow and say Michelle this and say Michelle that, wanna feel free, but me get it off of my chest. I'm gonna put it out there. And I will continue to stand with Lorraine. And if something happens tomorrow, when we need to defend Lorraine, I still going to defend her. Because I'm telling you all the while, I don't consider Lorraine as a friend, I consider her as a sister. And if I never saw her doing something worthwhile, I would not be here. For those of you who keep repeating that me I try to take over platform, me I run platform long before none of you know about Facebook. And me put them down. I put them down. So please, stop the animosity, stop the foolishness. It's not necessary. When we come off of social media, nobody no member, nobody, it's not necessary. We don't need to hate people. This is one of the things that is destroying Jamaica. The political hate, the color hate, all kind of different hate. We are all one people. We now always go agree. And more time we're going to cuss and go on, but it should not come to the level where it's somebody that we say we not like for whatever reason, or we not get along with for whatever reason, speak a truth. We should be, we can't go and say thank you. Lady B came out and defended me and Lorraine's grandchild. When somebody put with name on paper and burn it, she never have to do that because fear name did upon it, so she could have come out and say, girl, no write my name on the paper and burn it. She defended everybody across the board. Many of the same platforms that we have issues with, when them come out because fear them name did upon it, when, and you know how hurtful that was for me, when I saw people who claim to them support Lorraine turn around and a cuss, and platforms where we don't get along them came out. And them talk about it across the board. Them never take out themselves and leave Lorraine and Michelle and her grandson and her daughter in it. Them talk across the board and say it was wrong. So why, if Lady B do it, we can't thank Lady B and call into Lady B and say thank you? I so